Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and easy crypto tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to withdraw Tether from Phantom Wallet to Arculus Wallet in 2025. If you're holding Tether on Phantom and want to move it securely to Arculus for better storage or trading, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always remember, crypto transactions involve real money, so double-check everything to avoid any mishaps. First things first, make sure you have both wallets set up and verified. You'll need the Phantom app installed on your device and the Arculus wallet ready to receive funds. Start by opening your Phantom wallet app. Log in with your credentials and navigate to your Tether, USDT, balance. It should be listed under your assets. Tap on it to access the send or withdraw options. Next, select the Send or Withdraw button. You'll be prompted to enter the recipient's wallet address. This is crucial. Copy the exact address from your Arculus wallet. To find it, open the Arculus app, go to the Receive section, and select Tether. Paste that address into the Phantom app, then enter the amount of Tether you want to transfer. Don't forget to check for any network fees. In 2025, most transactions use the Solana network for speed, so aim for that if available. Before confirming, review the details: the amount, the address, and the network. Hit Confirm and authorize the transaction with your Phantom security features, like biometrics or a PIN. Once sent, keep an eye on the transaction status. You can track it on a blockchain explorer like Solana's official site. A few tips to keep things smooth: always use the correct network to prevent lost funds, enable two-factor authentication on both wallets, and never share your private keys. If you're new to this, start with a small amount to test. And there you have it. That's how you withdraw Tether from Phantom to Arculus in 2025. This method keeps your assets secure and mobile. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto guides, and drop a comment if you have questions. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.